Hello everyone, welcome to my world kitchen channel. Today I'm going to make a Arabic style chicken shawarma. This is the first time I'm going to cook, but this is my own version. But first we need to remove all this fat. You can see there's a lot of fat here. When you eat to restaurant, this is how much you eat fat from the restaurant. Yeah, it's a lot of fat. I use thigh instead of chicken breast. They have more taste when you use the thigh. But the thing is, you have to remove all the excess fat from inside the meat. You will surprise how much fat you will get this from the meat. I know some restaurants you don't bother to remove the fat in here. I know that because I always order chicken thigh barbecue. And you can feel it, the fat. So that's why I stopped ordering those kind. Sometimes I order to go if I don't have much time to cook anymore. So I to go food. And I always order the chicken barbecue. And they use Thai chicken. Okay, I already done cleaning up the chicken. Let's marinate the chicken. That was turmeric, cardamom, chicken powder, cumin, allspice, a little lime, soy sauce, a dash of paprika, a dash of black peppers, and 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Okay, we'll mix it up. Just mix it well and marinate this like 1 hour, or it's better overnight. If you don't have much time, you just wait until 1 hour. Most of them they bake the chicken, but mine I'm going to grill mine. Okay, let's make salad for sides. Doesn't matter what kind of cut you like for tomatoes. let's put all together the salad. Carrots, cucumber, tomatoes, olives, a dozen of peppers, a dose of salt. Oh, that's a lot of sauce. And balsamic vinegar. And a little olive oil. Mix them together. So simple and easy and healthy. Trying to be healthy. I think everyone's agree with me, right? You like to add a little sugar in it because of the balsamic vinegar. But for me, it's just fine for me. But well, people with different tastes, right? So you can add more spice or whatever you like to put it in here in the salad. Okay, let's put on the side while we're cooking the chicken. Before you grill or bake the chicken, put a little oil on it and mix it. That way your chicken have moist in it. And let's start griddle it. Looks good. Almost done. If you bake it, if you decided to bake it, it's 400 degrees and 25 minutes or 30 minutes, 25 to 30 minutes. Yeah, I'm so excited to taste it. Oh, please don't judge me. This is the first time I cook Arabic edible berry. So here is my own version of chicken shawarma. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel and share with your friends and families. Okay, we'll see you next time. Okay, let's try my shawarma. What it tastes like. Can't wait to taste it. It's actually really good. It turned out really good. The chicken is so moist and enough. The flavor is so good. Oh my god, you should try it. Really good.